General! General, we believe there is a spy aboard. Should we delay the missile launch on London? What?
Spy! There's a spy on board! There he is! Open fire!
Surrender! You will not escape that easily. What is that in your pocket? Show me! It's a bomb!
OSA headquarters. This is Agent B.J. Blazkowicz. Wake up the director. Tell him we have to meet as soon as I land.
Agent Blazkowicz, come in.
Your mission on the Tirpitz was a success, BJ. She's at the bottom of the ocean.
Thanks. But I'm more concerned about that medallion I found.
So are we. Dozens of specialists are studying it right now.
What have they found out?
Very little, but enough for us to move forward.
The medallion's a symbol that was used by an obscure clan of mystics. They worship something called the Black Sun. Who they were was lost centuries ago when the group was killed in a cataclysmic event. Then, just a few decades ago, the symbol was adopted by the Thule Society, a German occult group that has a number of high-ranking Nazis among its members.
No doubt some of them are part of the SS Paranormal Division.
They are indeed, but even more intriguing than that are the crystals the medallion contains.
They can only be found at one place on Earth, a city in Germany called Eisenstadt.
We made contact with the resistance fighters of the Kreisau Circle there. They had some very interesting information.
This is General Victor Zeta, a rising star in Himmler's paranormal division. In the last few weeks, he established a large operation in Eisenstadt. But what they're doing there is unknown.
So you think the medallion was the result of Zeta's work?
That's what we need you to find out, Agent Blazkowicz. Your orders are to travel to Eisenstadt, rendezvous with the resistance fighters, and assess the situation.
Sorry to send you back into the field so soon, BJ, but you've dealt with this kind of thing before. You're the only man for the job.
Not a problem. When do I get started?
Immediately. Travel arrangements have already been made. The best of luck to you, Agent Blazkowicz.
Thank you, sir.
Agent Blazkowicz, I'm with the Kreisau Circle. Come with me. Your cover is already blown here.
On alert! All resistance fighters are to be shot on sight!
You! Stay where you are! The American!
Halt
Quickly, down here! We have Kreisau agents waiting on the other side.
On your knees! Schnell! Where is he? Where's the American?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Tell us where he is!
I don't know. Wait, no!
Was the informant right? Was there an American on the train? Yeah, but the Kreisau Circle got to him first. General said there will be outrage. That's why we have to...
All civilians are ordered to leave the station immediately.
Agent Blaskowitz, I'm Eric Engel. I work with the Kreisau Circle. Listen, we don't have long. There are Nazis fanning out through the station. Somehow they know about you. But we can't leave yet. Turns out we've been handed an opportunity. A special operations train carrying experimental weapons is sitting at Platform 1. I hear you're up for a little diversion, so grab some weapons from this table and fall in. Oh, once you're in town you can get more ammo and upgrades at the black market. Good, my friend. Now come. The special operations train won't wait long.
Here comes your patrol.
Then be sure. Check it out.
Don't let them see you.
Quiet. It's too dark. I can't see a thing. Go inside and look, Dummkopf!
The American is here! Everyone, let's go!
Let's see how you fare at demolitions, BJ. Destroy that locked door.
Take cover! It's going to blow!
There has been an explosion in the building.
Nice shot!
Troops are to fortify positions along platform 1 and 2.
Well done! The enemy is down! Retreat now! run out of bullets. Maintain fire! Down!
Good shooting!
Get behind something! The American is here!
Good shooting!
Move up!
That's the train. We're running out of time.
All squads, fortify entrances to platforms 3 and 4.
Let's go! Back!
Use extreme caution when firing the weapons near the Special Operations train.
Nice shot!
The American is here!
Nice shot!
Maintain fire!
Nice
Be
shot!
ready with the MG-42. DJ, they need you defending us with the MG-42.
Good shooting!
Hold him up a little longer! Keep it up, BJ!
Good shooting!
I just need a little more time! There! The bomb's been activated! Take cover!
What's the deal? Who's on that train?
Special Operations train has been destroyed. Fire team, report to platform 4 immediately.
Don't worry. He's wounded, but I'll deal with it. Meet us at the Kreisau safe house. Check your map for the location.
Grenade! Run! What the hell is this? What is this? Get me down from here! What is this?
Come on, Agent Blazkowicz. Follow me.
At the train station, I made contact with Eric Engel of the Kreisau Circle. Unfortunately, there's a mole somewhere. The Nazis knew about my arrival. We managed to fight our way out and destroy a special operations train along the way. It carried some unusual munitions that canceled gravity when it detonated. Everything floated to the ceiling. No doubt this has something to do with General Zeta and the Thule Medallion. I hope to find out more when I meet up with Caroline Becker, the leader of the Kreisau Circle.